Stop scrolling for just 10 seconds. What if I told you? The reason your face looks tired, dull, or older than your age isn't because of genetics. It's because of the 5 tiny daily habits slowly destroying your skin. And you're probably doing at least 3 of them every single day. But the good news? Fix them now, and you'll start seeing visible transformation within weeks. Let's change your face the right way. If you're new here, I talk about skin, self-care, and science-backed hacks to look your best naturally. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's jump right in. Habit number 1. Touching your face. The silent skin killer. You're scrolling, thinking, working, and your hand is constantly on your face. Sounds harmless, right? But here's the truth. Your hands carry more bacteria than a toilet seat. When you touch your face, you're literally rubbing oil, germs, and dirt deep into your pores, causing acne, irritation, and premature aging. Fix it? Be conscious. Keep your hands away from your face. And if you must touch, make sure they're clean. Habit number 2. Too much coffee. Your face looks tired. I get it. Mornings without coffee. Impossible. But 3 to 4 cups a day? That's dehydrating your skin, stealing away its natural moisture, and making you look dry, dull, and older. Fix it. Limit coffee to 1 cup a day and drink a glass of water right after. Your skin will look fresh, hydrated, and glowing. Habit number 3. Sleeping on your stomach or side. If you wake up with pillow lines on your face, that's not cute. That's damage. Sleeping with your face pressed against a pillow causes wrinkles, puffiness, and sagging skin over time. Fix it. Sleep on your back. Or at least use a silk pillowcase. It's gentle, reduces friction, and helps your skin and hair. Habit number 4. Sugar. The invisible face. Destroyer sugar isn't just bad for your body. It attacks your face. It breaks down collagen, the protein that keeps your skin tight, smooth, and youthful. More sugar equals more wrinkles, acne, and loose skin. Fix it. Cut sugary drinks. Swap candy for fruits. Your skin will start tightening naturally. Habit number 5. Not wearing sunscreen. The biggest mistake. Even if you're indoors, even if it's cloudy, even if you're not outside much. UV rays pass through windows, damaging your skin, causing spots, uneven tone, wrinkles, and fast aging. Fix it. Wear sunscreen every single day, even when you're not leaving home. And trust me, your future face will thank you. Transformation doesn't start from buying expensive products. It starts from fixing everyday habits. Which of these habits are you guilty of? Comment below. I read every single one. If you want a video on daily face transformation routine, drop a yes in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful beauty and self-improvement videos.